Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another NNE nanonuclear energy video. It's been a wild, no, that's not the right word I'm looking for. I am stupid, truth hurts. Truth hurts. But May 14th we got earnings coming up. But that's not what's concerning for me. What I am very excited about, I shouldn't use the word concerning. I'm really dumb right now. Truth hurts, guys. Truth hurts. So as you can see, the stock crashed in October when everything else started crashing. But it bottomed out at $17.26 in April of 2025. If you guys can remember that far back, we crashed because of the Trump tariffs, and then we finally bottomed out in May, and we went on a huge tear. We went from a low of $17.26 to $60. Those who didn't buy when it was nice and cheap and discounted, well, they clearly look like idiots, right? Truth hurts. So here we are again. It's nice and discounted from highs. And we bottomed out, as you could have guessed, we bottomed out in April yet again. And right around the same price point, at around 17 to 19 here. Isn't that interesting, right? I'll do the analysis here for you guys. Look at this. Whoa. I mean, truth hurts, right? You'd have to be pretty stupid not to buy while it's still discounted. And this is still cheap. I know it's already moved from a low of 19 to 27, but guys, look at how much room we have for upside, right? All the way to 60. And this is how this stock likes to move, right? Makes huge surge from $3 to 37. Woo, everyone's excited, everyone's happy. Woo, we're going to the moon. And then it crashes pretty damn hard from 37 to $6. So this is a classic, right? We know this is going to crash huge and surge huge. So what's the problem? Right? Unless you're stupid, which again, truth hurts. Why wouldn't we take advantage of this pattern? Huge surge again to 47 from $6, comes all the way down to 20, 18-ish here, and then surges to 60, and huge crash back to 20s, and here we are yet again. And we are still under the white line. When you use the white line, you use it as a signal of, hey, am I buying cheap? Well, my friends, are you buying cheap? Right? When you bought under the white line here, you were buying cheap. You were buying at 16, 18, my bad, 18, and it ran to 60. You would feel, again, the truth hurts, you would feel stupid looking back and not buying down here. Hell, even if you bought at 27 here, it still went 100% to 60. Again, you would feel really, really dumb, and the truth hurts, I know. But here we are. Yet again, it's at 27. What are you got to ask yourself? Are you really going to just sit here and just watch it go up? Or are you going to buy? What are you guys going to do? Right? There's a lot of stocks running right now. Absolutely. A lot of opportunities elsewhere. Absolutely. Yes. I mean, Rocket Lab just exploded. It literally rocketed. Someone just slapped a rocket on that baby and it's up. And it's probably going to continue going into Monday. Or I should say today, because today is Monday. What am I saying? Again, I'm just dumb today. Truth hurts. So 27.45. If you don't believe it's going to go back to at least 50 to 60, then don't buy it, don't bother. But I believe this will go back at the very least to 50 to 60-ish, and it is getting ready to make that next move. It bottomed out around the same level, around at exactly the same month, right, April, and it's getting ready to make that next move higher. If we break 30s, which is a big level right here, we can show you that. Kapow, right? Big level. We break above 30s. I mean, on the weekly time frame, the next resistance is 40s. We break 40s, we go to 50 and 60. So, guys, I think this is a no-brainer. Every time we get a big crash, we always get a huge recovery. Until that pattern changes, I don't see why you wouldn't buy the dip. The only people who should be scared and shaking in their boots are the ones that bought high for some reason. They bought, at around 50 to 60, and they just held it all the way down. Those are the people who should absolutely be scared, because who knows if it's going to come back up that high. But for those of us who are smart, we buy nice and cheap. Even buying under 30 is still a discount. And I mean, a move to 50 or 60, hey, 50 to 100% return, that's not bad at all. So I get a price target of 45 to 60, 45 being your first target for a nice 50%er, and then shoot for 60 for a 100% return. I think it's a buy. Earnings is coming up, so we'll see how the market reacts to that. Daily time frame, let's go back to it. Let me just check the earnings here. On this earnings, it didn't do anything. This earnings didn't really do anything, so it looks like earnings isn't exactly a mover. Here on this earnings, it didn't do much. This earning, yeah, so wow, this thing does not have like huge gap ups or gap downs. It doesn't really do anything on earnings, is what I'm seeing here. Like, yeah, there's no like big gaps, like, hey, this stock moved $10 or $8 or anything like that. Maybe a few dollars up or down, but it looks like earnings tends to be kind of muted, so maybe I wouldn't be too concerned about it. The only concerning thing would be if you want to play it safer, obviously wait till after earnings and then buy if it looked good. I think you'd still be able to get it cheap. Again, when you're buying at that white line, when you buy at the white line, you know you're buying cheap, right? Saves you from buying the top, right? The top is up here at 47. You would have waited for the white line at 22, and then you would have started buying, and you would have felt like a genius because then it ran from 22 to 60. And then same thing, you wouldn't buy up here because you're like, fuck that, I'm going to buy down here at the white line at 30s, and you'd be averaging down. You don't care, you don't give a shit, you know you've been there, done that, whatever. You're going to trust the strategy, and you know it's going to run again. I know it always looks terrible when things are crashing, but nobody says anything bad when everything's running, right? No one's saying, oh, please stop running, please stop, right? Nobody says that. Nobody says, hey, don't run. Why is this up 50%? Please stop. I don't like money. Truth hurts, guys. Truth hurts. All right, guys, that's it for the video. Hopefully you enjoyed this. NNE, buy 45 to 60. Hit that like and subscribe button for me if you enjoyed this content. I will see you in the next one.